Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the map type and map theme on the GPS Tracks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner and click on map. Here you can set the map type. Here you can find the default Apple Maps, custom maps and GPS track maps, which are only available when you have purchased the premium. So tap on the relevant one you would like to select. Here you can set the Apple Street Map type or map theme. You have three options: light, dark and system. Then you have the map display zoom option, which means that it will enlarge the map to make it more readable. And then you have the show user location arrow, meaning that it will show the user location as an arrow that points in the direction of your heading, and here you can set the arrow size too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.